a little bit of old and a little bit of new. I haven't seen a Polaroid in a long time. I haven't used one. Pretty easy. That's all the same. This is a little different. All the ones I've ever had, I don't know if they ever made any autofocus, but this has an autofocus of sorts. It has 4 zones of focus. But in this is never, this is all new, obviously. The flash takes a while to charge up, but you can turn the flash off here. Then you've got a self timer. Very simple. It's telling you got 0 pictures because I haven't loaded it yet. USB-C to charge it. And let's see if I remember how to do this. Don't spoil the scene. Keep your rollers clean. Yeah, so okay, that's to pull it out. Don't leave that on there. And man, it's been a long time. All right, let's see if I get this right or wrong. There it goes. Let's give it a go. How does it do? I'll take it outside and shoot something real quick. All right, so I shot some shots and figured out the minimum focus is probably about 2 feet. These are just some hydrangeas, and you're probably going to want to be 2 feet away or more. The main issue I ran into with this camera is it's just like even this is a little dark, but the inside shots are terrible with the flash. So this is the first one with regular exposure compensation, just no exposure compensation actually, just as the camera comes with the flash, obviously, right? And that is very, very dark. It's a dark dog on a dark chair. If anything, it should overexpose. And this is with the extra the one step up. It has 3 levels: dark, regular, and light. And this is the lightest I could get it in with flash inside, and I wasn't that far away, so I don't know what's going on there. The flash indoor, all that's useless. This is +1 or plus in the plus compensation. They don't give you a number, or they don't tell you how much it's compensating. But personally, this stuff's expensive. I'd err on the side of using exposure compensation and bumping it. One issue with that. Well, first, there doesn't seem to be a flash compensation. I hold that and it doesn't do anything. I can just turn it off or turn it on. So there's only one form of exposure compensation. That's just overall ambient and flash. So you'd hit that. There's the lowest, normal, and high, or over. I would just basically leave it on this, except that then you got to hold it, and then it'll show you that your compensation is dialed in. The problem is you have to redo this every single time in order to do that. So kind of a bummer, but okay outdoors. As far as I can tell, useless indoors.